Let's explore the skills required for a supply chain manager and guidance on how to acquire them. Let's start. 1. Essential skills for a good supply chain manager. Technical skills. A. Supply chain knowledge. Understanding the fundamentals of supply chain management is essential. This includes knowledge of procurement, production, inventory management, logistics, and distribution. How to acquire. Enroll in a foundational course like APICS Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, to learn supply chain concepts. Read books of logistics and supply chain management for case studies and practical insights. B. Data analysis and decision-making. Data-driven decision-making is crucial for optimizing processes and improving efficiency. Proficiency in tools like Excel, Tableau, Power BI, and ERP systems is essential. How to acquire. Take a course on Excel or Power BI from Udemy, and practice by analyzing sales data to predict inventory requirements. Gain hands-on experience with ERP systems like SAP or Oracle through internships or certifications. For instance, SAP's Integrated Business Processes certification provides real-world simulations. C. Technology integration. Modern supply chains use technologies like IoT, AI, and blockchain. A supply chain manager should understand these technologies and their applications. How to acquire. Attend industry webinars on AI-powered demand forecasting or blockchain for supply chain transparency. Platforms like Coursera offer courses like Blockchain Basics by the University of Buffalo. Explore short courses on IoT, AI, and blockchain applications in supply chains. Managerial skills. A. Strategic thinking. Aligning supply chain operations with organizational goals requires strategic planning and long-term thinking. How to acquire. Engage in case studies and simulations that require strategic decision-making. Participate in strategic decision-making workshops, such as MIT Supply Chain Strategy and Management Program, where you learn to create frameworks for aligning operations with market demands. B. Project management. Supply chain managers oversee projects that involve multiple teams and tight deadlines. Proficiency in project management methodologies is vital. How to acquire. Obtain a PMP, Project Management Professional, certification and apply project management techniques to streamline warehouse setup for a new distribution center. Use tools like Trello, Asana, or Microsoft Project to assign tasks and track progress during a cross-departmental collaboration. C. Risk management. Anticipating and mitigating risks such as supply disruptions, natural disasters, or geopolitical issues is a critical skill. How to acquire. Study risk management techniques through specialized courses or certifications. Study real-world cases like Toyota supply chain disruption after the 2011 earthquake, and practice risk mitigation strategies in simulated environments. Interpersonal skills. A. Communication skills. Clear communication is necessary for coordinating with suppliers, negotiating contracts, and managing teams. How to acquire. Join a public speaking group like Toastmasters to improve presentation skills for client meetings. Practice writing concise and professional emails during daily communication with vendors or logistics teams. B. Negotiation skills. Negotiation is key to securing favorable contracts and managing vendor relationships. How to acquire. Attend negotiation workshops, such as the Harvard Negotiation Mastery Program, and apply skills during vendor contract renegotiations. Role-play negotiation scenarios with colleagues to prepare for real-world challenges. C. Leadership and team management. Supply chain managers often lead diverse teams. Strong leadership fosters collaboration and motivates employees. How to acquire. Read books on leadership, such as The 5 Levels of Leadership by John Maxwell. Gain experience by taking on leadership roles in projects or teams. Industry-specific knowledge. A. Regulatory compliance. Understanding laws and regulations governing supply chains, such as customs compliance and environmental standards, is crucial. How to acquire. Take compliance training specific to your region, like CTPAT training for U.S. supply chains. Stay updated through resources like the International Chamber of Commerce website. B. Sustainability practices. Sustainability is becoming a priority in supply chain management. Managers must implement eco-friendly practices. How to acquire. Enroll in courses like Sustainable Supply Chain Management from the University of Illinois on Coursera. Follow examples of companies like Unilever that have implemented green logistics and learn from their strategies. Formal methods to acquire skills for supply chain management. Formal education and certification. Degree programs. Pursue degrees in logistics, supply chain management, or operations management. Certifications. Acquire industry-recognized certifications, such as APICS Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP. Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. Certified Professional in Supply Management, CPSM. On-the-job training. Hands-on experience in roles like logistics coordinator, inventory analyst, or procurement officer helps build practical knowledge. Networking and mentorship. Join supply chain associations like CSCMP, Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals. Attend networking events to learn from experienced professionals. Online learning platforms. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and LinkedIn Learning offer specialized courses in supply chain and logistics. Industry conferences and seminars. Participating in events such as the Global Supply Chain Summit provides exposure to the latest trends and practices. That's it for today. Do like, share and subscribe for more supply chain videos.